Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 3. Today we are going to start SST class chapter 7. You can take out page number 48. In 48 you can see clothes we wear. So today we are going to learn about clothes we wear. A variety of colorful clothes is worn in different parts of India. There are different types of clothes and there are so many places that people wear different types of clothes, right? Now, this is because the climate varies from region to region in India. Because of the climatic reason, people wear different types of clothes. In summer season, winter season and in rainy season, people wear variety of clothes. In hilly areas where the climate is cold, people mostly wear thick woolen clothes. So, in hilly area, there is a this is a cold area, so people wear very thick clothes, thick woolen clothes. In the plains where the climate is hot, people mostly wear light cotton clothes. So, in plain area, this is a very hot area, so people wear cotton clothes in plains area. In coastal area where the climate is warm and humid, people mostly wear cotton clothes. So, in coastal area, people wear cotton clothes in coastal area. We can identify the region in which people live from the clothes they wear. So, we can identify the people where they belongs from with the help of clothes. So, clothes for women. Sari is the most common garment worn by Indian women. So, Indian women usually wear sari because this is a common dress for them. So, your mother, your auntie, so they wear usually sari only, okay. Now, it is a very long and rectangular piece of clothes. It is draped in different styles in different regions. So, sari is a rectangular shape. So, they draped it and different style in different regions. So, how they drap, they used to wear different types. So, for example, Kerala woman sari, Bengali woman sari, you can see this, they drap in different ways. The styles is in different ways, okay. Now, women in Rajasthan and Gujarat wear a blouse called choli with a plaited skirt known as the ghagra or lehenga. So, in Gujarat and Rajasthan, women used to wear blouse and choli. Okay, you can see the pictures. In Gujarat, this is blouse and this is the saris. Okay, now the ghagra or the lehenga, they cover their head with an odhni. So, when they cover their head, in their head they used to cover the odhni. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Odhni, जो उसका head cover करते. Like this lady, you can see this lady, she cover her head with this odhni. Okay. Now, in next page, similarly to the ghagra, choli is the dress of the women of Haryana. In Haryana, women used to wear similarly like ghagra choli, like Gujarat, women used to wear ghagra choli, and in Haryana also they used to wear ghagra choli. The women in Haryana wear a long skirt called daman with a blouse called kurti. So, in Haryana, women used to wear long kurtis, long skirt and blouse called and daman with a blouse called kurti. They cover their heads with a chundri. So, they cover with the head. वो जो head उन लोगों का होता है, वो किससे cover होता है? चुंदरी. In Gujarat, they used to cover with their head with odhni, and there are different names. So, in Haryana, it is called chundri. Okay. Now, another popular dress of women in India is the salwar kameez. So, this is a popular dress. People used to wear salwar kameez. Okay. It is worn with a dupatta. Kashmiri women wear a loose woolen cloth called firan over their kameez, it to protect themselves from cold. So, in Kashmir, people used to wear salwar kameez worn with a dupatta. So in Kashmiri the popular dress was salwar kameez and worn with a dupatta. Some women wear churidar instead of salwar. In Assam women wear mekhla chadar. So Assam people used to wear mekhla chadar. Girls wear a pavra. In Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, a pavra is a long skirt. So you can see this long skirt worn with a blouse, sometimes a half sari which is half the size of the sari is worn along with it. So in Assam and in Andhra Pradesh there are half sari, not a full sari, there are half sari they used to wear. Now women also wear a variety of accessories and jewellery made of gold, silver, silks, ivory, pearls, etc. So women wear accessories, jewellery. There are so many different types of jewelleries, right? Gold, silver, silks. Nowadays many girls and women in India wear western clothes. So nowadays people used to wear, woman or a girl or a boy used to wear western clothes. Like for example t-shirts, shirts, trousers, jeans and skirt. So this western dress is people used to wear in different areas. So clothes for men. Men in India mostly wear shirts and trousers. So in India people men लड़का जो होता है वो mostly क्या use करता है shirts and trousers. Okay, men in village are more comfortable in traditional clothes like kurta, lungi, dhoti and pajama. So in village area most of the boys or uncles or your father used to wear traditional clothes like kurta, lungi, dhoti and pajama. So the lungi originated in the south. It is the long rectangular multicolor clothes. So in south area people used to wear rectangular multicolor clothes lungi, okay, worn around the west. So the dhoti is pollute up between the legs and tugged up. Men wear shirts, t-shirts etc. over the dhoti. So dhoti is a dress of a boy, so they used to wear dhoti, and in upper wear they used to wear t-shirts, shirts. Okay, now dhoti is called Vesati in Tamil Nadu and Mandu in Kerala. So Vesti in Tamil Nadu and Mandu in Kerala. Dhoti को क्या भी बोलते हैं? Vesti and Mandu. So men in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala carry a clothes on their shoulder called patta. So Tamil Nadu and in Kerala carry a clothes their shoulder called, so they carry a clothes on a shoulder. It is called patta. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Patta. Okay. Now in next page, men in Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh etc. tie a very long piece of clothes on their head, has a turban or wear a cap. So Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat and in Rajasthan they used to wear a cap. So in India people used to wear a different cap like this. You can see turban of Punjab, Punjabi topi, turban of Rajasthan, Rajasthani topi, turban of Gujarat, cap of Himachal Pradesh. So there are so many types of different types of cap. You can see the pictures. Turban of headgear is called by different names such as pagdi, patka and safa etc. Sherwani is worn in Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh and Hyderabad. It is called Jodhpuri and Rajasthan. So Sherwani is worn in Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh and Hyderabad. In Hyderabad people used to wear Sherwani. In Kashmir they used to wear Sherwani. Uttar Pradesh they used to wear Sherwani. And it is called Sherwani को क्या भी बोला जाता है? राजस्थान में जोधपुरी. Okay. Now the tribal women of northeast India wear handloom skirts, shawls and scarves scrap waste. Each tribe has etc. Each tribe has its own special designs. The tribal people wear their own clothes. So, the tribal women of Northeast India wear handloom skirts and shawls. You can see this, shawls and shirts, skirts you can see there. Some dresses from India are very famous. The saris of Banaras, the embroidery work of Lucknow, the Pashmani shawls of Kashmir and the Patiala salwar of Punjab are worn all over the world. So these are the famous dress of India. Saris, embroidery work of Lucknow, the Pashmani shawls of Kashmir and the Patiala salwar of Punjab. So in Punjab, women used to wear Patiala salwar, and in Kashmir they used to wear Pashmani, and in Lucknow embroidery work of clothes they used to wear. Okay, so these are the different types of dress that people used to wear in India. So with the help of the dress, we can identify the cultures, we can identify where they belongs from. Okay, so dress, we can identify the reason in which people live from the clothes. Okay, now we have finished the chapter. Now we are going to do exercise work. I think you have page number 51. In page number 51, you can see tick the correct option. The most common garment of women is the most common garment of women in India is sari. Sari is the most common garment that women used to wear. Women in Rajasthan and Gujarat cover their heads with orani. So, women used to wear orani. Women in Assam wear mekla chadar. In which of the following states men wear turban on the head? In Rajasthan, dhoti worn by men is called madun in Kerala. So this is we have finished the chapter. This is your exercise work. You can do this in your copy. Okay. So we have finished the chapter for today. This much. Thank you. Have a good day.